Okay, Shopaholics. After this week, I think we all are gonna go to rehab and we're just not gonna buy anything else and we're just gonna like go on a cleanse because the money's gone. The money's gone. Welcome back, my Shopaholics. And if you're new here, I am BuyMeTheMall. And if you're like me and can't stay out of those stores, you've come to the right place. I buy and review the things that I love so that you don't have to. And if those things speak to you, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post weekly and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post. Guys, what is this? Guys, we went shopping. Yes, we went shopping. Of course we did. And we got a few things. We did a little bit of damage. And you know, this is the right before Christmas shopping that you shop for yourself because it makes you feel better because you spent all the money on other people and you're like, you know what? I deserve something nice too. Anybody else do that? Or is it just me? Let me know in the comments, please. Okay, please help me feel better. So we went shopping and we actually went to a few stores. We have Skims here. They opened up a store in Sawgrass and they had a good sale. We have Gucci here. They also had a sale. And we have Christian Louboutin here. They did have a sale, but this was not on sale. So yes, we have purchased a few things. And you know what? Do we feel bad about it? No, we do not. Because you know what? We are giving gifts on Christmas. And why not get a few for ourselves? You don't have to wait for someone to buy something for you. You can just buy it for yourself and feel great about it because you deserve, my Shopaholics. You do deserve, okay? So let's get into what we bought. First things first, we went to Skims. And I'm not even like really a Skims girl. I have a few Skims pieces, but Skims had a good sale and I was like, yeah, let me get some of the stuff that I've been wanting to get. Okay, so this is not something I've been wanting to get. Actually, these are some briefs, but I tried them on, and guys, I literally thought that this was a woman's, but it really was a man. And when I tried it on and I saw this little piece, I was like, I think this is women. But the lady at the cashier convinced me to buy these because it was such a great deal. Like, honestly, these are originally, I don't know if they have the original price on here actually. Let me see. Oh, they're originally $62. Guys, you're not gonna believe how much I got these for. 62. I want y'all to see this because they gotta be out of their minds, all right? $62. I got these for $8. Did I get these for, I might have got them for lower than $8. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, because yeah, I got the 8% off. So yeah, then I got them for $8. Yeah, because they were on sale for $12 and then I got these for $8. Whew. Yeah. I was like, I don't know, I'll wear them around the house. I'll find something to do with them. Okay, so next we have these. And this is what I really wanted to try. These are the Seamless Sculpt Scoop Neck Thong Bodysuits. So I have a size small and a size medium. So when I was there, the lady did a measurement to measure and see like what size I would need. And she said I would need a small, but they always say whatever size you need, then size up. That's why I got the medium. So I was like, medium? I have never worn a medium a day in my life. Like, ma'am, I'm gonna, but all the smalls too. Also like the medium large, like, cause these were on sale with an additional 30% off, but all of the like larger sizes, like the mediums, it was very limited colors, large, very limited colors. Like the smalls and the extra smalls, because everybody has to size up, were all there. So I'm like, I'm gonna just try it. Kim Kardashian, come to the front, sister. Come to the front. We need to speak about this. We need to speak about this abuse that you are putting onto these women. Why is this a small? Y'all, this look like a baby onesie. Like, honestly, I needed 4 hands, okay? I had 2 pulling up the side. My husband had one in the front, one in the back, and we're pulling. I mean, we're pulling for dear life. We got it on, but my God, wow, like I should not have gone through that torture to put this baby on. I am an extra small, sometimes an extra small. Okay, Kim? Girl, this is crazy. And let me just show y'all, because I didn't try on the medium. This has been, and let me just tell y'all, this has been tried on. So this has been stretched out. This has went on top of my body, okay? This is the medium. Never tried on. Never tried on. Y'all, I mean, it's giving identical. Like, why should I have to, I mean, honestly, when you put it on, it's amazing. I mean, it holds you right. It puts your tits up. You look good. But, oh my, I mean, Kim, it's not right what you're doing. It's not right. I'm going to tell you right now, it's not right what you're doing to the girls. We already have to try these things on. Oh, let me tell you guys too. These are non-exchangeable, non-refundable. Like, you can't even try it on in the store. You cannot try it on. You have to buy it. And even if it doesn't fit, you have to keep it. So it's like, okay, you make these baby clothes, then we're supposed to try it on when we get home because you can't try it on in the store. You can try it on in the store, but you have to purchase it first, but you can't exchange it or return it. The person came up and was like, oh, you can buy it and then try it on. I said, but didn't he just say you can't exchange or return it? The girl was like, yeah, I don't know. I'm like, me either. Like, what sense does that make? I might as well just wait till I get home. But you will die, okay? Do I love it? Yes, I do. But that's not the point. The point is I shouldn't have had to endure this type of stress to put it on my body, okay? Thank you. But yeah, these were a steal. Okay, so originally these are $70. They were on sale for $34. And I told you everything in the store was an additional 30% off. So I actually ended up getting them for $25 each because with the $34, it was discount applied negative $10.20. So at all of those three things that were all $70, originally $70 each, I got all three of them for $59.62, okay? Yeah, we went shopping, Shopaholics. These are the deals I'm talking about, okay? I'm trying to tell you, and hopefully you guys tell me, because we are a community. We have to help each other, okay? But again, after this video, we're not doing that no more. So actually, don't tell me, okay? Anyways, next, we went to Gucci. And from Gucci is something else, y'all. I'm not buying nothing from Gucci full price anymore. They had a private sale going on, and I was not invited to the private sale. My mom, however, was. So we went to the private sale, and let me tell y'all how Gucci is slick like this, right? So you have to spend a certain amount of money to be invited to the private sale. But the same people like me and you, regular people walking in on the street, we will come and buy these items that are 50% off, some of them 30, some of them 40% off. We're buying for full price. But only people who know, if you know, you know, they're like whispering to you that it's actually on sale in the store. I think that's kind of crazy. What do you guys think? I don't like it, but I liked it for me that day, but I really don't like it. I don't think it's right. I don't think it's right. Like, Gucci just go on sale. Stop playing. Okay? It goes to the outlet. Anyways, did you guys check out my last video? Okay? Outlet. That's why I will not purchase anything from Gucci. Full price? No. Fendi? No. YSL? Maybe. I don't know. I've never seen nothing that I bought in the YSL store, but you know, I don't know. I haven't bought that many pieces either. Anyways, we got this beautiful scarf. Okay, 90 centimeter scarf. It was, I don't even know how much it really originally was. I think it was like $6 something. I don't know the exact price, but I got it for $300. So yeah, very good deal. And I love this scarf and decided to get it because you can wear it like this and have it like, you know, light pink vibes. And then you can also wear it like this and have it like a darker burgundy color, almost purple vibes. And I just thought that was so cute because I could wear it different ways. And it has the monograms on it. I hope you guys can see. But I thought it was beautiful. What do you guys think? And for the price, I was like, oh yeah, because these scarves, these little silk scarves are very expensive. So I was like, yeah, let me get that one. I actually really, really do love it. But yeah, they had like shoes 50% off. They had bags 30% off. I didn't buy anything else, but this one I was like, I have been wanting a Gucci scarf, so I'll get it. See me, I'm the type of person, like, even though if it's on a sale, I need to have, like, it needs to be a really good sale, and I need to really have wanted it. Like, I'm not just shopping just to be shopping, you know what I'm saying? Shopaholics. Maybe we don't. All right, so next we went to Christian Louboutin. Christian Louboutin did have a sale, but unfortunately these were not on sale. So, but there was something that I have been wanting. Like, I've always kept saying to myself, like, I need a white pair of shoes. I need a white pair of shoes. And I haven't gotten a white pair of shoes. And I hadn't seen these in person and didn't know if they were actually going to be in person because they're always sold out. So I was very excited to have these, try them on, the size fit, and I ended up getting them. And I love them, honestly. These are the white Miss Z's. Okay, so how cute are these? And they have the forever sole, so the sole is never going to not be red. Love that. And it's just a good white shoe, honestly. It's a mule, the white Z mules, the Miss Z white Z mules, the Miss Z mules and the white. But I just think it's a really, really, really great shoe. And I think that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these, especially like in the spring, summer. They're gonna be really good to have. And I'm actually really happy that I got these in my collection. What do you guys think? I was contemplating, I was like, maybe I should get the black ones, maybe I should get the, but I'm like, the black ones weren't there, but the white ones were, and I was just like, let me just get the white ones since they're here now. And you know, if I really love them, then I'll go back for the black pair. I do need a, I have just bought the black Gucci mules, but those are closed toe. I do need like an open toe mule. So we'll see. But right now, I'm really happy that I have a white shoe because it's so many times I get dressed, I'm like, ugh, wish I had a white shoe. And I don't have one, but now I do. Okay, so this was our little haul. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you love. Okay, Christmas is tomorrow, so we have a little special edition for you. My husband and I decided to do a onesie love short. So please go check our short out. It is of all the onesies that we have acquired over the years of us being together and our matching little onesie time. So I want you guys to go check out the short. Tell me what you think. Tell me which onesie that is your favorite or which one you love. And if you have any good ideas for new onesies, let me know, okay? We are always in the shopping spirit, even though after this video, you're no longer shopping. That's what I tell my husband. All right, see you guys in the next video. And if you haven't, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are a growing community and I post weekly, and subscribing ensures that you don't miss a post. See you in the next video. Bye, Shopaholics. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.